Hi guys, this is Henry from Kaminsky Care and Repair. Just a little trick here when you want to take some screws and there's paint around it. Just scrape it off and make sure you could see even if it's a flat screw or whatever you got, and just make your indentation. Take all the paint out of your screw and then use either a good screw and then it'll come out. Otherwise, this what's happened. Just keeps on spinning. Even if you use a screwdriver, it doesn't grab on because there's nothing to grab on. But if you were to take the paint off and just scrape it off, it takes seconds, right? And then just kind of make your indentation of the star, and then you just throw your drill in, and it comes out. And that's the trick for all this. After you sand it, make sure you got a damp cloth. Take all the dust off. That way when you put the good paint on, it will take. That's your trick and tip for the day. Give me thumbs up if you find it interesting.
Follow us for more exciting videos and tips.